How to connect hosting your domain to Vercel. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to connect Hostinger to Vercel, you'll need to point your domain's name server, for example, NS records, and here's the step-by-step guide. First of all, you have to access your domain register. So first of all, you have to head over to your Hostinger site. Then you have to tap onto this login section, and then you have to log into Hostinger using your preferred account by entering all these passwords over here, and then you just have to log into your Hostinger account. And secondly, you have to find and update your domain's name servers. For example, NS records, you have to find the section where you can manage your domain's DNS settings. You have to locate that NS records. For example, here you can see name servers. Update the name servers record with Vercels. For example, name server 1.vercel.dns.com or ns2.vercel.dns.com. Here you can see these addresses over here. You can just copy it and paste it over to your browser. Now, after updating the NS records, it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate. Once the propagation is complete, your hosting your domain will be connected to Vercel. And in the Vercel dashboard, you have to go to your project settings and you have to add your domain to the project. So simply sign up to Vercel and then do the following things as I mentioned you earlier. And lastly, this method is optional, but you can redirect or alias. You can set up redirect or alias in Vercel if you want to use your domain with subdomain, and this will redirect request from the domain to your Vercel project. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.